Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. In previous lesson, I taught you how to write the number 2, and today I introduce a new number, that is number 3. Which number is this? This is a number 3. Once again, which number is this? 3. Everyone repeat after me. This is a number 3. This is a number 3. Well done, students. Now all of you look at the board carefully and tell me, what is this? This is a flower. And how many flowers are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Wow, there are 3 flowers. Okay, what is this? This is a star. What is this? This is a star. And tell me, how many stars are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 stars. Well done. Okay. And what is this? This is an orange. And how many oranges are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 oranges. Well done, students. I have some more examples for you. I can show you the number 3 as a numeral like this. I can show you the number 3 on fingers like this. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers are there? 3 fingers. Okay, students, I can show you the number on a number line. Look at the board. Where is number 3? This is a 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the number 3. Where is 3? This is the number 3. Okay, students, I hope you will enjoy this lesson. All of you learn and practice it at home. In case of any query, please contact me on my email ID. Take care. Khuda Hafiz.